Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now for this you will need a computer and a cable that you can plug into it, meaning connect the phone to your computer. And let's start off by turning off the device. Now when the phone turns off, you will want to plug it in, and immediately after you plug it in, hold the power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the Galaxy logo, or Samsung Galaxy specifically, you can let go, and you can also unplug our device. On this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes, confirm that once more, and that's it, we're finished. So let's now confirm the first option, which will be selected by default, reboot system now, and this will just take us now to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.